Welcome to Byron Bay Sanctuary Zone. Dito kami guys. Ang ganda. Wow! Look at that! Yan guys oh. Nakikita niyo ba yan guys? Parang nasa Boracay. It's like same in Boracay. In the Philippines. Yep. May small island yan. Pwede kayong umakyat dyan guys. Doon na sila. Pababa. Yeah. Hello Papa! We're in the beach, darling. Are you excited to make a castle? Si Mr. Tinatapo ni Madam eh. It's okay, darling. It's okay.
Give me your shoes.
Take up your shoes, darling. Put it in your bucket. Yan, ang ganda, guys. Oh my God. Libre lahat to, guys. Walang bayad dito. Magdala lang kayo ng kanya-kanya yung mga gamit. And then it's all good. No. That is not in there, darling. Go up. The Mesa Beach. Always going to the beach. The food farm. Yeah. Yeah, you love it, baby. My husband loved the beach and also my daughter. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna go in there? Or you wanna make a castle first? Punta sila dito guys. Upo muna ako guys kasi parang nahihilo talaga ako guys. Bye bye darling. Akad na sila. Ang ganda guys. Oh, yan. Sobrang ganda. White sand talaga. Yung beach na dito. Welcome to Byron Bay. Yan. Yan. Dito ang beach sa Australia guys. Wala silang yung mga cottage. Yan. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Yan. Yan lang. Libre. Tapos doon sa itaas meron na yung mga shower. Yan. Gusto nyo maligo, magbihis. And then maraming nagsusurf dito guys. Yan. Surf doon. Ang dami. Nandun sila Mr. O. And guys, ang dami. But guys na lang kayo dyan guys. Ang dami nag-surf. Oh. Papunta silang surfing yan guys sila. Wow. And then meron pa yung mga iba doon. Oh. Marami talaga dito sa Australia guys. Love nila yung dagat. Lalo na yung surfing. Yan. A lot of surfing. Yan. So kung kayo gusto nyo pumunta ng Siargao sa Pilipinas, pag kayo nakapunta dito sa Australia, try nyo talaga yung surfing nila dito, the best. Yan. And then libre lahat. Ang problema lang is yung parking lot kasi marami talagang nagsusurf, naliligo, pumupunta sa beach. So yung parking lot ubusan. Pero itong pagpunta nyo dito sa dagat, walang bayad, libre lahat. Kahit magdala kayo ng pagkain, yung mga gamit nyo, okay lang. Basta wag kayong magtapo ng mga basura. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, oh, merong nagsusurf. Oh my goodness. And then nandun yung my family. Hi, baby! Kendall! Babe! Are you making a castle? Ayun sa likod nila. Hello! Hello! Say hi! What are you making, darling? Wow! Is that a duck castle? A duck castle. It's pretty, the duck in there on the top. Tingnan nyo guys. Yung duck niya nandun sa itaas. You like it, darling? Wow, tingnan nyo yung nasa likod at your back, baby. There are heaps of doing and surfing. Or I think
Byron Bay's big for surfing.
Yeah. Oh, the ducky. Fall down the ducky. Oh, slide the ducky. Ito yung gustong-gusto niya, guys. Kaya gusto niya sa beach kasi gawa siya ng castles. Lalo siya ng mga sand. Yan. Yan yung paborito niya. Covering the ducky, darling.
Really good. Did you cover it, darling? There it is. Look at it. She covers things. Yeah, look at this. Can you do this, Kendall? Look. Kendall, look at this. Can you do this, too?
Lang, look what Daddy doing, Lang. That's enough. It's okay, don't worry. Doon na siya, guys, oh. Wow! Yay! Ayan, guys, ang ganda. Hello, darling! Wow! Amazing! And then dito, guys, tingnan nyo na sa door. Ang dami nila, guys. Welcome to Byron Bay, Australia. Hindi, nandun pa yung diba sa kabila. Si Mr. ang layo na nila, guys. Hold on tight, darling! Yan, ang ganda ng tubig, guys. Oh! Ito talaga yung beach. Yan. Diba? Tingnan nyo yung tubig, guys. Wow, very clear. Ang ganda talaga. Punta kayo dito, mag-sunscreen lang kayo, okay na. Dito sa Byron Bay. Yan, tapos ang susok ng sun talaga. Oh my God, very nice. Look at that one. Oh, this is Australia, guys. My God, dream come true. Yan yung paborito ni Kendall. Masakay siya sa daddy niya ba? Yung... Hold on tight, darling! Woo! Woo! So, yan, guys. Kasi love namin kayo. Ipapakita namin dito kung saan kami pumupunta para may idea kayo or makikita nyo kung ano yung mga part ng Australia na magaganda, guys. Yan. So, Drive lang kayo dito guys ha. Depende sa inyo kung dito kayo kakain. Kung magdala kayo ng mga pagkain. Ang ganda. Yan. Baby, she did like that one. Riding on your back. Yeah. Wait, darling, wait. Hello, I love you, darling. Hello. So yan guys, no? Hello, hello. Yeah. So makikita nyo ako paminsan-minsan guys kasi ako naman yung videographer, tsaka editor, taga vlogger. So paminsan-minsan meron din ako guys, pero gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kaganda itong beach nila talaga guys. Yan. Kaya paborito ni Mr. pumunta dito sa mga beach dito sa Australia. Kasi kinalakihan na rin ni Mr. Nandun silang dalawa. Yan. So, sabi ko nga guys, dito wala silang mga yung parang cottage guys. Kasi ito libre lahat. Magdala ka lang ng upuan. Yung parang kabana nyo. Yan, tinatawag yan na kabana. Yan, ganyan. Yan. And then, pagkain. And then, mga packet para mayroon kayong mga cold drinks. Nasa sa inyo. Pero, hindi ka pwedeng mag-barbecue dito. Kasi wala silang barbecue station. Baka doon sa malapit sa street, baka mayroon sila. Pero dito wala. Kasi may iba ding mga beach na meron silang mga barbecue station at saka yung parang playground yan. Yung silang dalawa, tingnan nyo. Yan guys. Sobrang ganda. Enjoy talaga sila. Hello, darling! Balik na naman sila guys. Ayaw niya. Gusto pa niyang maligo guys. Hinahatak niya yung daddy niya. Tingnan niyo yung waves guys. Oh my god, ang ganda. Favorite nila talaga guys, nilang mag-ama. Ako okay naman ako sa beach, pero hindi yun talaga yung swim na swim para magbabad lang. Pero silang dalawa iba talaga pag nandyan sila sa beach, swimming talaga. Walang katapusang swimming. Doon na sila. Baka silang mga dolphins doon. Come here. Come darling. Kukunin niya yung daki niya. Faster darling. Get your daki. Kunin niya yung daki niya. Merong mga kwan yung parang learner ng surf. Daki! Doon yung daki niya. Yeah, you got your daki? Yeah, that's Kendall daki. You bring your daki.
Hey, what's this, darling?
Look at the daki lang.
Sweet potato.
Gagawa sila ng parang langoyan ng daki niya. Yan.
Stand up.
Put the daki lang, put the daki.
Watch.
Oh!
Whee!
Oh, come on, Hina. Yang, Lang, you want to catch the bird? Kendall? The bird in there. Get the birdie. I don't like it. I don't like it, huh? Come on, up na. Doon sa Kulangata, guys, yung sa malapit din, medyo malayo din kasi Gold Coast, yung parang boundary ng Gold Coast saka New South Wales. Maraming is that pigeon, babe, no?
Hey?
Pigeon?
Seagull.
Seagull. Maraming seagull bird doon. Dito, konti lang. Semester. Magbihis muna ako, guys, kasi maliligo din ako, guys. Yeah. So kami muna, guys, no? Family time.
That's it. Come on.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one that we're gonna buy. Hawak-hawak niya talaga yung daki niya. Come on, darling.
I'm making.
You're making, huh? What are you making?
I'm making chili.
Okay. Oh.
Mommy, make castle, mommy. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna make a castle and then you wanna rub your body with the sun?
So, Papi, bye. Baby.
Hello, hello. Yan guys, dito sa Australia guys, hindi pwede yung mga paputian dito guys. Mas maganda itong mga skin natin na brown. Yan. Tan, very tan is good.
Yeah, not for me.
Yeah, very tan. Kasi dito sa kanila, you know, kasi puti sila, merong mga prone sa cancer, skin cancer. Kaya dapat maglagay talaga, whether you're white or whatsoever, kailangan mong mag-protect. Put sunscreen on your body always. Yan. Pero dito talaga sa Australia guys, hindi uso yung mga skin whitening, yung mga glutathione guys. Wala dito guys. Sa atin lang yan. People are not used to it for whitening their skin.
No.
Yeah. Dito guys, ganyan. Tan skin. Yan yung mga paborito nila. Yan. So mahilig sila sa beach, pero naglalagay talaga sila ng protection. Minsan, kung gusto talaga nilang maligo, maaga or hapon, kailangan talaga nila ng mga malalakas na sunblock for their skin. Kasi mahilig talaga ang mga Australiano sa beach. Yan yung mga outdoor nila na magaganda. Si Mr. Are you tired na, Baba? No.
You're not tired?
No tired. No. No, baby. She's nodding. No. Not tired ako. Walk. Okay.
Come on, sweetie, let's go.
Come on, we're gonna go in there. Come on na.
Okay, guys.
You're gonna carry something?
Diyan kami pupunta guys. Yan. Yung parang Boracay talaga guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Boracay, here we come. Hindi yan, Boracay.
Less
Yan,
people
marami
than
na.
Boracay.
Yeah, it's same as in Boracay, bebe.
But less people.
Yeah, less people. Yan. Diba? Sabi ni Mr. Para, it's same like Boracay but less people and then heaps of surfing and everything is free here. It's not everything guys kasi may bayad pala sa park guys. Pero tingnan nyo guys. Kayo na lang magsiselect guys ha. Yan. Si 1 or 2 or 3 and then marami pa dong iba guys. Oh my goodness. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-abroad, piliin nyo talaga kung saan kayo gustong mag-abroad. Like the lifestyle, good for the family and for you. Very nice. Ang ganda ng beach. That's it, Mr. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, Kendall. I love you. Bird. Bird. Come on, baby. Lumipad na. I think this is the, you know, when we go to, yeah, the Byron lighthouse, going down and then there's another way to park. This is the one. Ah, very nice. Baby, you are so guapo in here, baby. Wow. My one and only love. Kami guys, yan. Dito na si Mr. Medyo roughy siya. Yan. Yung stone. I think you go on the other side, baby. It's much easy. Medyo rough. Yep. Mabato kasi siya, oh. Tignan nyo guys, oh yan. Mabato. Wow. Say hi, baby. Hello. Yung overlooking. Hingal saglit, pero okay lang. Kendall, have a look. There's a stair. Resort. Pa dun, oh, marami sila. Yan, bumababa na sila. Kasi si Kendall, parang natatakot siya doon sa itaas. Yan, bumababa na siya. Oh my God, guys, dito na naman kami po akyat. Pangalawang beses na to, guys. Ayaw magpawat ni Madam. Gusto talaga niyang umakyat. Tingnan, ginagawa niya. Gumagaya siya sa daddy niya. Kumukuha siya ng stone. Come on na, let's go, darling. Yan, takbo na siya, oh. Diba? Medyo masakit pa yung paa ko, guys. Ito, guys. Sakit. Is that your feet hurt? A little bit? Yeah.
It's not too bad, but yeah, I don't want to do it again.
Yeah, kasi yung apakan nila dun, guys, yan sa hagdan.
Bring shoes.
Yeah, it's a little bit like rough. Dun si Madam. Come on, darling. Here, darling. Run, darling, run! Run! Run, run, daddy, run now! Jump! Jump! Whoa! We're making a, what are we making? Wow! Is that your castle, darling? Gumagawa siya ng castle, guys. So, yung castle niya, guys, ito yung mga maliliit. Yan. So, marami siyang shape sa castle, yung mga block. So, nilalagay namin na ganito. Yan. So, meron din siyang malaki, parang yung bucket na castle din. Yeah. Come on, show it to the guys how you make castle. Come on, po.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Say hello to the guys.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Say hi. Hello.
My little baby.
Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Okay. Kendall making a castle. Okay. More. More. Nilalagay niya yun, guys. Tapos you put it in here in the middle, okay? Where are you gonna put it? There? Oh. Let's give a castle. It's okay, darling. Make a castle like that. And then we put it inside. Use this one. Use and we put it in here. In the other glass. Like Mama? Like that? Mommy borrowed this one. swing first. You're gonna swing.
Who did that?
Look at that one.
Some monster did it.